I'm just waiting for others also to join, and so that we can begin. Chitra is there, Neha is there, Namrata ma'am has already joined in, Savitri ma'am is there. So I guess Priyanka was also about to join. Let me ask if she is there. Otherwise, we may begin. So Zoom sessions, there is just one challenge because in free version, after every 40 minutes, it just goes off and you have to log in again. Otherwise, it won't take much time. But the thing is, we have already wasted 10 minutes now. We are left with just half an hour. So this is Neha Gupta ma'am. Ma'am, our Neha, that Neha is not joined. This is Neha Gupta ma'am. Neha Purwar hasn't joined. Chitra has also left. Yeah.
She has some network issues. Neha ma'am has some network issues. She's trying
Right.
to join.
Right. That's okay. So all of you may turn on your videos, please. So that's not an issue. Gurjeet ma'am, you are in school right now also in the evening, 5 o'clock.
No, no, ma'am. I am at a tuition center.
Oh, okay.
Right now, everyone's homes have also turned into schools. So it looks the same.
See, now we're getting so many messages because 10th board cancelled, and so we are also having right now mixed reviews. Somebody's saying that plus minus, everybody's has, obviously we all are free to express our feelings. So somebody is happy, somebody is very sad. So we are having that kind of feeling. Somebody is giving comments like what, there was some kind of comment ki you must have also read कि वो कोरोना की चेन तो टूटी ना टूटी बट शिक्षा की कमर जरूर टूट गई. So this thing all we are just observing कि बच्चे तो
yes, somewhere it's true, but we can't help it.
No, certainly,
everyone is trying their best. Everyone is trying their best.
Yes, certainly, ma'am, certainly. So
all the time everyone can't be happy. That is the fact.
Yes,
Acceptance is the only key.
Certainly, ma'am. No, but nobody is happy. Actually, we have to find happiness in everything. That is actually, we have to be satisfied first of all. Then only we can be happy. So, okay, let us begin today's this thing session on Padlet. Padlet is, though it is freely available tool, but it is not completely free. Some of the features that are given here, they are freely available, and but that will suffice your purpose. It is a kind of display board. As I am having a display board in my room, I don't have so many display boards. I have one. When I'm done with it, I can renovate it. I can remove the things and I can put it again. Likewise, in our classroom also, we are having display boards, right? We do it, we decorate it, and after some time, maybe after a month or 15 days, or maybe on the occasion, a different occasion, we just change it. So Padlet is also a kind of virtual display board. For example, we are celebrating Heritage Week in our school. Now, Heritage Week has been started, right? So here, when the children, they will be doing number of activities. Had it been a physical school, we would have displayed all the activities on that display board. Now we are not in that physical environment, so we can display their activities on a virtual display board, and we can share it on social media. The children, they'll be able to like, they'll be able to comment, give feedback to each other, they'll be able to make connection amongst different things. So when you are done, you are going to start afresh, you can always save your Padlet as a PDF, as an image, so that you can view it later and you can just reuse that Padlet. It is like that. So without spending even a single penny, you will be able to use. So here you go. I'm just going to share my screen. So here, I guess my screen is visible. Why I'm asking? Because in Teams, it shows
Yes,
like
it's
my screen is
visible,
visible.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes,
Thank you. Okay, so you have to go to padlet.com, Padlet, padlet.com. And when you will click there, you have to create your account. Either with any of the email ID. It can be Gmail, it can be any Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, whatever. Okay, so any, you have to create your ID. You can directly log in with your Google. Say these are the Padlet that we have created, right? So it is a paid version, but from my another mail, that I use, that I am using my free version also. I'll be showing you that also. In that there are less number of Padlets. I'll be showing you that also. Here, this is my free version. As you can see here in this free version, there are 4 Padlets. In a free version, 3 Padlets are available. 3. Okay. And how come there are 4? One, I have collaborated with someone. Okay. You can always collaborate. For example, with the Gurjeet ma'am's Gmail or Padlet link, she has created 3 boards, and another 3 boards have been created by your co-teacher, and you can always collaborate and share the boards with each other. So this is a very nice way to use it. There are different kinds of Padlet. I'm just showing you there are 6 kinds of Padlet. Okay, now I have to click on make a Padlet. This is my free version. It is saying like I will be able to create, there are 4 types of Padlets that I can create. Display board, I want to display my creations, that can be done in 8 manners, right? So here, first of all, is the wall kind of Padlet, as I have put on my display board, and you just putting everything in a wall in the form of tiles. Okay. And next is stream. If you want to see your pictures, your content, everything in a form of a stream moving up. So this is how you will be able to do that. These are just a various looks, aesthetic sense that is being given, the arrangement. Okay. Now next is grid. As we always have different kinds of grids. Okay. In grids, we just arrange the matter in that. For example, if I will say this is for pictures, this is for videos, this is for another thing, so we can have some grids over there. Now next is a shelf style. Shelf style is, if I would mention like this particular shelf is for if I'm collaborating in a class, maybe class 1, 2, 3, I'm giving one compiled collaborative project. I may say you have to put your classwork over here, you have to put your home assignment over here, you have to give your remarks over here, right? So this is how, yes?
Others, please mute yourself.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
I'm just saying to others, they should mute themselves.
Yes. Yeah. So here, so I'll be showing you each Padlet one by one. Okay, let us start with, first of all, tell you how we can create a Padlet. But before even that, for most, I would like to show you how does a Padlet look like. So I'm just going to show you one Padlet that I have already created where the students have collaborated, so that you should know the objective of the Padlet. Then only you will be interested in learning the Padlet. For example, this is Environmental Warriors. While teaching science in my class, I have given a project to my students on environment. So here it is. How does it look like? See, this is a shelf style Padlet that I have used over here. Now here I have given them task 1, dry waste and wet waste. See, I can always change the color of my Padlet if I want. Okay, so I have made it dry waste, wet waste. The students, I have given them instruction, post your pictures with 2 bins. So the students, this picture has been pasted by me. And here, see the students, they have done their work. They have posted the picture in this particular column. They have written their name. And this is the homework being displayed at one place. So all the students, they have posted their pictures in their manner. Right? So there is no limit. So they'll be able to post as many pictures as they want. So when I will be saving it in the form of a PDF, everything will be appearing on that one PDF. It can be any number of pages long. So here, now the second one is, how do you reuse your things? I have told my students, like, how do you reuse your things? Please share with me. So here the children, they have done their work. This is a second task given to them in the second shelf. So they have done the work and posted the pictures. You may also ask them, if you are giving them some written work, complete your work and put it over here. Complete this page number, click the picture and share over here. So it will be easy for you also to locate whether that work, that day's work has been done by the students or not. Number of, you see, tasks you can create. For example, you are creating month-wise or week-wise homework, maybe weekend homework you are asking your children to post. They'll be doing it, clicking it and posting it. Instead of sharing the same through WhatsApp, they are sharing it through the link that you have given to them. So everything will be systematic, everything will be organized. Your WhatsApp also will not get cluttered with all those things, right? It becomes very difficult to locate the things in WhatsApp, right? So here, now recycling, third task that has been given to them. So this is actually all the 21st century skills we are focusing. We are using all the technology, digital tools. We are asking them to be creative, share their experience with us. So they are getting creative, doing the things and sharing with us. They are using technology. They are thinking critically too, because they are working on a same platform, in a single platform. So they are collaborating as well. So all 21st century skills we are working on. So they have done recycling. So they have to think about it, what all things we send for recycling. Now here, collaboration with the parents. We have collaborated with the parents, right? Where we have given a task to the parents, like, please do share your views with us. So here the parents, they have shared. This activity is done by a parent and they have shared their views over here. This picture of a parent only, it's not a teacher, and she has also shared. See, you may also please read it. I have started collecting waste soap and making its liquid hand wash. Abha's mother, she has shared the same with me. And this parent, she is saying, I have stopped using paper cups in my office. Instead, carrying my own mug. I have started carrying my own mug. Also for vegetable shopping, we carry our jute bag. So these kind of suggestions are given by the parents. So here you are not only a teacher, all your parents, they are teachers. They are very good in their respective fields. Do not think that you are alone to teach the children. So I hope you must have liked this activity. Please, let's keep it interactive. If you can unmute and speak,
Yes,
that
ma'am.
would
Yes,
be
ma'am.
very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. They all are.
Otherwise,
Yes, ma'am. All these activities are very fruitful for the children as well as the teachers.
see, the thing is, you have to share. Now, how you will collaborate? You just have to share like this link. Can you see here on the top that I have selected in the address bar? You have to share the link either from here, or there is option here, this side, share. You will be able to share the link with the parents and they will collaborate, right? So here I have
Ma'am,
given
I have a
remarks.
question.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, is there any limit for a number of
No, there is
participants
no
or
limit. I have already
there is
said
no
there
limit?
is no limit. There is no limit.
For the participants, right?
Yes, no limit,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
right? So you'll be able to collaborate. So I have, now look here. I have put some reference material for my students. मुझे कहीं से भी कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है तो I just post it over here for my students related to this topic, obviously. Okay, now these are some videos that I have posted. Now look here, I'm doing something in front of you. I am going to this Google over here. I'm doing, obviously you have to research. I'm just doing it to show you how it is to be done. Okay, because this is related to recycling. So I am checking recycling. So suppose I have got something, I want to check videos, right? So I have to go to YouTube. And I have to check recycling Okay, now I like, suppose this video, this is made for children. I'll just copy the link. I go back to my this thing, and here's a reference material. I'll just click over here and I give them work, watch this video and reflect. Maybe I have to give them some questions based on that. So now what I have to do it? Here I have to give some instructions maybe. Okay. And some instructions I want to give, some questions I want to post over here, right? So, and here I have to upload something. If I want to upload some picture for my device, I'll click on this button. It is asking. Sorry, I need to mute. So it is asking you want to pick any picture from here. If I want to select, I can select any picture. I can upload. Okay. Now close. I want to do something else. See what all things we can do. Either we can pick files from here or we can post some link over here. Right now I have got a link. I'll be able to paste that link. Right. So I have pasted a link and I'll click on save. See, my job is done and the students, they will get their video and it will not go anywhere. They won't be able to delete it. So as and when you are getting any material, like for example, you share one Padlet link with your students, like this is the link where I'll be sharing all my resources with you, right? So it will remain with you for the whole year, for the जब तक आपका है तो वो आपके साथ रहेगा and you use it. और उसमें आपको delete करने का, there is no logic. चाहे एक Padlet है, whatever it is, you will be able to share it. Okay. So what all things you can post? You'll click on plus sign again. I have to post something else. I have shown you this also, upload picture, upload link. And if you directly want to search something from YouTube, I do not have to go to another tab also. I want to search some images. I want to search some videos, GIFs, audio, or maybe anything from the web I want to search. Okay, I'll be able to do that. Right? Let me see if I get something. See, I'm getting one GIF. This looks nice, so I'll just select it. So, can you create your own GIF? So now I have given this task to them. So this is gone. And this is the homework that we would like to give to our students to be creative. Right? Is it clear? Is this much is clear? Okay. So here remarks are given. Now let us try some another thing. Like for example, here I am there in front of screen because my camera is right now on from this Zoom. I need to first put this camera off, then I'll be able to use it. I'll just show you once. Okay. I'm stopping my video once just for a while. And now I have to take my picture. I guess my screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm starting the camera because my camera was earlier used by Zoom. Let me see whether I'll be able to use it. See, I'll be able to click my picture, or maybe I have to show something to them. Ki this is what you have to do like this. This is the experiment and you have to arrange the apparatus like that. Okay. Or maybe you can click the picture of your board while writing and then you just capture it. 3, 2, 1 and done. You want to change some over here or maybe write something. Okay. You may be able to give some captions. Right? So it's done. So my picture is there in the Padlet. Can you see my picture here on the Padlet? So here now another thing, what else we can do? We have clicked the picture also, we have searched something. YouTube link also has been done. We can upload pictures, files, PDFs, everything we can share with the students. Now on these three dots, when I click more, I can upload, I can record my audio also if I have to give the audio instructions to my students. If I want to draw something and share with the students, I can draw as well through the mobile phone. If you have touch screen laptop, you may use that. Otherwise, you may use it on mobile device as well. Link sharing, images. Now Spotify, the podcast also, if you have created, you will be able to share that also with your students. Screen recording. If you have created one Padlet and you want to share with others, you can do that Padlet also. You can share your location also as we share on WhatsApp. So the number of things you can do with this Padlet, this is just amazing tool, right? So this is on teacher's point of view, I'm just telling you GIF and another things. So let us try some drawing, okay? So if I have to draw something, what shall I draw? Whatever, right? So you just click on, you can color it, whatever you want to do. You can fill the color if color hoga nahi abhi because this is not joined. Okay, so and then save it. And the same is done. That's it. With just single click, you will be able to do that. So this is the magical Padlet. Number of things you'll be able to do. So this is a shelf style Padlet that I have just shown you right now. I guess it is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please do use it in your classes, this Padlet, right? Right? Okay. So let's go to another Padlet. So this was shelf style. So now here are a number of tools, number of Padlets that we have created, right? Now, how do we do that? Let us go to that point. How do we do that? If it is feasible for you, if there is not an issue, you are not doing another work, you may please turn on your video. Otherwise, I'm okay with that. So you have to click on make a Padlet. Another option we are having join a Padlet. Another is gallery. So if I have to create our own, I'll be going to make a Padlet. If my friend has created and want to share it with me, then I will be joining a Padlet. The link will be given to me and I will be able to join. Now, what is there in the gallery? Let's see. So in the gallery, there will be those Padlets that I am following. See, we can follow each other. For example, Dipti ma'am is there. She is following Gurjeet ma'am, Savitri ma'am, or maybe each other. तो आपकी गैलरी में पूरे सबके Padlets आ जाएंगे. And that depends upon you. अगर आपका कोई personal Padlet है, आपको नहीं share करना है, तो you don't share. I'm just sharing, like, if you are working in collaboration, okay, you are working as a team. One teacher has created, another also wants to share. So you may always be able to collaborate, right? Okay, so this is
now at here we can find out the SDG Padlet also. Huh?
what did you ask?
SDG Padlet, we can find SDG Padlet at here.
If we get, we can, but we will be able to get if somebody has made it public, then we will be able to share.
Okay.
It depends upon the settings, right? I'll just tell you, like, for example, you are going to make a Padlet. This is how we begin. Make a Padlet. Now, shelf style, I am going, because today's Ritu ma'am is not there. She told me there should be something for social science. So I just wanted to show something for social science earlier. So fine, she is not there. So let me begin with something else, right? So there is, in social science, we teach timeline. Timeline is there. We have maps over there. We have connections in science, and then other things, social science. There are so many things, wonderful things. She is not here. So that's okay. No problem. So when you have to create it, So I just want to know your subjects. Can you please quickly tell me your subject so that I can start accordingly? Gurjeet ma'am, what is your subject? She is an artist, art teacher. Yes, Gurjeet ma'am. Neha ma'am, what is your subject? Ma'am, I can't hear you. Neha ma'am, आप earphone उतार के बात करिए. Sometimes there is a trouble with the earphone. I guess yesterday also the same was happening.
English SST.
SST, okay, your subject is also SST, right? So, Namrata ma'am, I don't remember. So shared earlier with me, like that's okay. So SST, you teach timelines to your students. Okay, you ask them to fill the map also.
Yeah.
Got it? So there are so many things that you can do over here. So we can start doing with map. Let us do with map. Okay, I'm selecting here this option. Sixth one, map. I'm selecting map. I want to create this Padlet. Sometimes we think, no, virtually, how do we do maps with the students? It becomes very difficult to teach the maps, right? So here you go. When you click, the map is ready. Now you have got number of options. Number one, you will be able to give any name to your Padlet. I have written here my grand Padlet. I'm writing here demo map. Okay. This is up to you. You want to write your name of class or whatever. Okay. So you want to give any kind of description, day, date, class, subject, topic, anything you want to write for your reference, you will be able to write. Okay. Any kind of icons you want to use, your school logo, anything, your picture, your chapter's picture, whatever, you will be able to use that. Okay. Now, here is the, sorry, we will be logging out, I guess, in 10 minutes. Okay. So we will be quickly rejoin after we log out. Now, here it is copy to clipboard. You have to copy this link and share with your students. Now, it becomes very difficult for your students to learn this if they have to join JT, Q7M. You may also always change it. You may change it, map, class 6. So, this will be your link. Now it has been changed. You have to share this link with your students. Okay. Now, what kind of map do you want? You have to click on this arrow and you have to select any. There are different kinds of number of maps that are available. You will be able to select any of your choice. Okay. Satellite, watercolor, night, whatever, medieval, black metal, the usual. So I'm going with the usual one. This normal one. Okay. So wait, I was not able to see from my screen. So that's why I couldn't do that. Just a minute. तो ये आ जाता है टैब बीच में. Close. So I have to go to setting. I have to choose this map. I have to go back. Now my map has been changed. Font, you can always choose whatever you want. Okay. Any font style you want, you'll be able to use that. Now, when the students are doing something, you want to collaborate, you want your students to give marks to each other, give thumbs up, thumbs down to each other, give hearts to each other, any kind of feedback, that is up to you. Yes or no, that is right now reaction is none. You will be able to select either likes, upvote, downvote, star, grading, number out of 10, 100, 1, whatever. Okay. So let us do one thing, upvote, downvote. Suppose we have selected this, or maybe number of stars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back. And then do you want like anything the students they are posting first that will be approved, then it will be visible to other students. For example, you have given some assignment to your student that they have to post some homework. It may happen student A has posted and student B has seen and copied the same thing. So in that case, you may be able to turn it on. First, you will get notification like so and so child has posted, and when you approve it, then only it will be visible to others, right? So next is filter profanity. If there are some children who write some wrong words, so it will filter it and it will not be able to display on your Padlet, right? So you may turn both the options on, right? So this is done, your settings are done, and you may save it. So this, your work is done. Now how you have to use it? Look here, this is a sign, plus sign, as and when I go over there, it is changing into a pencil. Can you see on the right hand side? Top right hand side, pink dot, plus sign is there. I'm going, it is changing into a pencil. So this is the tool that we use. I have to click over here. Now I have to teach something to my students. Maybe suppose we can start with the states of our country, right? Or maybe we can start with the children. Okay, which is your hometown? That would be different for everyone, right? We will ask our students, you have to find your hometown on this map, right? So can we make it creative? I will be able to share the link with you, then only you will enjoy. I am sharing the link with you in this chat. Please all of you click the link. मैंने वो सेव नहीं किया इसलिए इसका जो लिंक है वो that is JQP. I'll be changing it later. अभी आप उसको कर लीजिए please. Click it and you will be able to use on mobile, on laptop, wherever you want. So I guess we will be logging out in 5 minutes. By the time, let us do one thing. You explore it, you find your location, and how you are going to do it. I'm just going to share something with you, like search. I want to search Jalandhar, Jalandhar. When I have typed Jalandhar, it is saying Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Yes, it is. I'll click over here. So my pin is there on Jyoti Chowk, Jalandhar. Gurjeet ma'am, is there any Jyoti Chowk in Jalandhar? Yes. So it is over here. Now, how will I get to know this place belongs to me? I will upload my picture. It's up to me if you may give it to the students. Okay, you want. Let me see if I have my pictures over here. Okay, I have this picture. I have posted this picture. Now I want to, as you can give to your students, Meenakshi's hometown, any other detail, they will be able to write. Okay, and others will be able to rate it. So this is how they will be able to do. So now 4 minutes are left. We may log out now. I am going to share this link in the WhatsApp also. Please, all of you, you may find your hometown. Then you will enjoy working with this. Okay, otherwise I do not like speaking all the time. And I don't know whether you are interested or not, right? I'm just sharing the link.
We are
and
interested, ma'am.
so there are so many other wonderful things that you can do. Okay, I'm just logging out now. You may also log out, and it is 5:40 almost now. So let us log in at 5:45, right? With this link, by the time you may please explore it. Okay, right.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, thank you.